That's hard, isn't it? She also had occasion to complain about the chairman of the panel, and it's quite interesting. You know, there's one of the petitioners had listed the chairman of the panel as one of his witnesses. As I've been told, when the petitioner got into the room and saw the Justice Gabriel Pwamang chairing, Justice Gabriel Pwamang is my friend because we all used to be PNC, you know, Dr. Liman's party. We're all part of it before. I think he still is part of it. So I stoutly defended Justice Pwamang when he went for vetting and they said that he's a political person and he cannot be Supreme Court judge. We all defended him. Very good friend of Professor Mills, Justice Gabriel Pwamang. Now, Justice Pwamang is chairing this committee. One of the witnesses was intending to call Justice Pwamang. One of the petitioners was intending to call Justice Pwamang as a witness. In fact, Justice Torkonoo told the media yesterday that even the petition, she doesn't have it. She goes in there, she doesn't have it. And he says they call witnesses, and the witnesses are talking about something that she can't follow. And she likened it to Nebuchadnezzar, the historical wicked ruler of Babylon, who called his magicians, his prophets, if you like, his juju men. He called his juju men. And said, juju men, I've had a dream that is troubling me. But if I tell you people the dream, you will come and lie to me. Because he said he knows juju men. So juju men, the prophet, they've been lying for... I didn't say it. Nebuchadnezzar said it. So if you look at Nebuchadnezzar 5,000 years ago, and he was worried that the juju men, the prophets, will be lying to him. You look at it 5,000 years later. Do you know any prophet who has lied to you? I don't know some, but do you know some prophet who has lied to you? They were there in Nebuchadnezzar's time, so don't worry about it. Don't be too worried about it. Don't be embarrassed. Nebuchadnezzar's time, they were. Nebuchadnezzar knew. So he said, if I tell you, you come and lie to me. So show me the dream, then show me the interpretation. And they couldn't do it. And it was the Holy Spirit that came upon the young, glorious man Daniel, who set himself and separated himself for Christ. It was revealed unto him. And that's how Daniel became great. You read Nebuchadnezzar, you see Daniel as a hero. Daniel is a hero to all of us who read Nebuchadnezzar. Great, great young man Daniel, the prophet Daniel. So Justice Torkonoo said, these hearings are treating she and his lawyers like Nebuchadnezzar did. Guess what they are talking about and then give an answer. You go to a court, a trial, an Article 146 process, and a witness comes and says, okay, witness, what is your name? My name is Paul Adom-Otchere. Okay, what do you do? I'm a judicial secretary. Justice Torkonoo, do you know her? Yes, I know her. Okay, judicial secretary, tell us, on 27th May, when Justice Torkonoo came to work, do you remember that she had squeezed her face? And Justice Torkonoo is wondering, what is this? Which petition is this? What is she speaking to? I don't know. And the lawyer says, me too, I don't know. It says, yes, she has squeezed her face on 27th May. Oh, she squeezed her face. Okay. Did you take a photograph of her when she squeezed her face? Yes, I have a photograph. Then they tender it. My lord, exhibit AI as part of the evidence. And Justice Torkonoo and her lawyers are wondering that, what is he talking about? It is about what? That I came to work on 27th May at 11 o'clock instead of 9 o'clock. It is towards what? Is it Daniel Ofori's petition? Is it Shining Stars petition? One thing she said that was interesting, that there's a petition by a group called Shining Stars. A search at the Registrar General showed that there's no such organization called Shining Stars. But at the presidency, is it not simple for when the petitions arrive that you check? Shining Stars, it's not there. Some people come together, they say they are called Shining Stars. Oliver Vomaho, good evening. Do you happen to know who Shining Stars are? Did you draft their petition for them, Oliver? Oliver, did you draft the Shining Stars petition, Vomaho? How are you? Will you owe me an interview? It's not come. But did you draft the Shining Stars petition? We don't know. And this didn't mean much to an impeachment process of a Chief Justice, something that has never happened in 68 years. And the group that is petitioning are a no group in law. There are no locus in law. And based on this petition, there's a purported hearing to remove a Chief Justice. I mean, this is fundamental. It doesn't have to be too legal. Somebody said they are called Shining Stars. They don't exist. They have not registered themselves. They brought a petition that you should sack the Chief Justice. And they are Shining Stars. And they don't exist. Oh, it's not proper. This one is not good at all. Anyway, her ladyship proceeded to talk about Justice Gabriel Pwamang. Have a listen.
There's also a petition from a gentleman called Mr. Ayamga Apogo. His complaint is that on 14th November 2024, after the Supreme Court had given a ruling which went against him, I, as presiding judge in the Supreme Court, ordered his arrest without any reason. He attached an exhibit to his petition, which was a media report from a group called the Law Platform. This media report says that after the Supreme Court panel had ruled against Mr. Akogo, he started to shout in the courtroom, and that is why he was taken out of the courtroom. Essentially, therefore, his own exhibit contradicts his claims. Mr. Akogo goes on to claim that when he applied for a copy of the day's proceedings, which were signed by all the judges that presided on his case, he did not see a record that he had been arrested. So I should be removed as Chief Justice. What is significant about this petition is that Justice Pwamang sat with me as one of the judges who heard Mr. Akogo's case and was named as a witness that Mr. Akogo will call. But His Excellency the President has appointed him to chair and inquire into this petition, and he has accepted to do so.
You heard the Lord Chief Justice. I mean, if you want to go take a Chief Justice through a process like this, it has to have some important landmarks and epochs that we can talk about. You don't want people to start thinking that the process is lacking merit or the process is lacking fairness. This is Ghana. This is a constitution that has been running for 35 years. Well, why are we doing this? I mean, the person who has won the election has won the election. You have the control of state power for 4 years. You inherit the state's power, you control it. And if you look at all the oath of the president, the oath of the vice president, at the second schedule of the 1992 constitution is there to be fair to all Ghanaians, because the state's power is for you for a period. You can't give the state power to one person forever. We are not a monarchy, we are a democracy. So I don't know why anybody will want to present a situation that somebody can say is unfair. You have the Lord Chief Justice breaking her silence and doing something that has not happened in 68 years to address the media. This is Justice Gabriel Pwamang. Osofo, my Lord, how are you? Justice Pwamang is a distinguished judge of the Supreme Court. My Lord, I salute you. We've been talking about you on TV today. That's His Lordship, Justice Gabriel Pwamang.